Upwork isn't hard because the platform is broken. It feels hard because most freelancers think it's a skill game, when it's really a trust game. You want more replies, interviews, and clients, and I'll show you the shift that changes everything. I've seen Upwork from both sides, freelancer and client. That changes everything. Here is the part people miss. The best freelancer does not win first. The clearest freelancer wins first. A client is starting at strangers on screen. They can't feel your work ethic or see how smart you are. They can only judge signals, and later I'll show you why a tiny first job can be smarter than chasing a big one. This is the misunderstanding. Most people treat Upwork like a place to prove talent. So they make broad profile, send generic proposals, and cut their rate to look attractive. But that creates the opposite effect. It creates risk, and when people feel risk, they don't buy skill. They buy certainty. Psychology has shown this for years. When people are uncertain, they look for social proof and simple signals that reduce doubt. So your first job on Upwork is not to look impressive, it's to look safe. Safe does not mean boring, it means clear. A clear niche, a clear promise, a clear proposal, a clear reason to trust you. Step 1 is your profile. If your profile says you do websites, design, SEO, copywriting, and maybe a little magic on weekends, you don't look versatile. You look blurry. Clients trust specialists faster because specialists feel easier to place. Step 2 is your proposal. Most freelancers write like they are introducing themselves in a school presentation. Nobody cares. The client wants proof that you understood the problem. So reflect the job back in simple words. Mention the risk they probably care about and give one practical next step. Not a life story, not a wall of text, just clarity. The best proposal sounds less like marketing and more like calm problem solving. And here's the part almost nobody likes hearing. Step 3 is reviews before revenue. Early on, your first wins are not mainly about money, they are about proof. That's why a small job can be more powerful than a big dream project. A tiny contract done well can make your profile look alive. A happy client makes the next client less nervous. Then the next one gets easier. That's how momentum starts. I made a free guide to grow your freelance income. The link is in the description. If you enjoy this content, hit like, subscribe, and write a comment. This motivates me to make videos like this. So why can a tiny first job matters so much? Because Upwork is full of strangers making fast decisions. Your first good review is not just feedback, it's borrowed trust. It tells the next client you are not first. Someone already went first and survived. That removes tension, and once tension drops, replies go up. This is also why being cheap is not the cheat code people think it is. Low rates can help you start, but random low rates plus weak positioning usually attract bad feed clients, not good ones. Cheap does not automatically mean safe. In many cases, it means risky, desperate, or hard to trust. The better play is simple. Start fair, stay clear, deliver exactly what you promised, and collect proof. Then something interesting happens. Upwork stops feeling like a wall and starts feeling like a system. Because it's a system. When your profile is focused, your proposals are relevant, your work is consistent, and your reviews stack up, the platform has more reasons to show you, and clients have more reasons to pick you. The platform was never asking who is the most talented person here. It was asking who looks like the safest decision. So no, Upwork isn't easy, but it's also not random, and it's not definitely impossible. It's misunderstood. Stop trying to win with raw talent alone. Win by reducing doubt. To fix the biggest trust signal on your account, watch Why No One's Hiring You, Fix Your Upwork Profile Now. That video will make this one even more useful.